Thomas. What? Oh, they fell off. You gonna be fighting gators?
No.
No? I feel more ridiculous and safe.
Alright,
They said there's gators in the water. Bye, Mom. Bye. My dad's trying to go by the gators. All the gators, he said, are to the... What'd you do? We see a gator right now.
Stop.
Wait, stop?
Go back.
Oh, this is a workout. That's 5 minutes in. No food. Our thighs are killing us. Guys, we're taking in water. It's not looking good for us, Scarlett. We're gonna be gator food. Oh, Jesus.
Where are you? We're in the water. And you're on your phone in the water?
Yep.
Yeah.
We're getting attacked by alligators right now.
There's an alligator behind us.
Go on the balcony, see if we can see you. Keep waving.
I see them. Is that his mom and the other one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see them.
You should have came. We're racing them.
What's up?
I know, Joel, you go hard on those leg days, but have you ever been paddle boating? It's intense. My legs will look great tomorrow.
Okay, so I'm on a vlog. Today's my vlogging day.
Okay.
Is it recording? Okay. And
That's my sister.
so I challenged Justin. If he eats this bowl of rice in 2 minutes, I'll buy him a Menchie's. Alright, hang on.
That's frozen yogurt.
Oh, I can't hold this. Okay, what happened to the thing? Alright, so let's show them the rice.
It doesn't look good now.
Alright, so that's the rice, and I have my timer ready.
In 2 minutes?
2 minutes. If it's gonna... It's
3
not
minutes.
focusing. No, 2 minutes. For a
minutes.
whole Menchie's, because you can get whatever you want at Menchie's. Are you ready? Timer...
No problem.
Start. Let's go. It's not focusing on you. Shit. There we go. You got 10 seconds done. So yeah, that progress. Think about that Menchie's. Filling it all the way to the top. Some marshmallows. Oh, that's my favorite. He basically has that one bite to go left. He has 7 seconds. I don't think he's gonna do it. I'll get him a sample just for trying. There we go. Oh. Where you want? So today, we are gonna go to Universal and we're gonna go on our... What the fuck are you doing? Fucking fat ass. This is for vacation.
Did you call me? Mom! You called me a fat ass.
Snitch. You're a snake.
Got my own room instead of myself. We changed rooms and I got my own. I mean, my parents are still my neighbors, but I got my own. But I got my own room. My neighbors right there. My noisy neighbors. But yeah, this is my room. I still got water stuck in my ear from the pool this morning. It's 5 o'clock. Yeah, it kind of looks bad having a tripod next to a bed. Yeah, I'm not trying to freak out the maids. Nothing like that was going on. Just YouTube videos, which you guys should like and subscribe to. Okay, so today we're at Islands of Adventure. It's like the second park to Universal Studios. It's where they have like the Jurassic Park place, my real favorite one. And they have have like all the superheroes and all that stuff on this side. No, thank you.
Now the spinning one.
Oh yeah, there's me.
Abnormal blood pressure.
Really good ride.
Everybody gets only one item, and this is it for your trip.
What? Hey. Thanks, Mom. I'm soaking wet. We're already here. Universal Studios. It's a lot nicer because there's not long waits in the lines. It's like 5 to 15 minutes rather than 45 minutes to more than an hour. And plus the park looks a lot nicer. Trust me on that. Absolutely no light. There was no light whatsoever. And I remember waiting like an hour for this.
Yeah, it is. It's an hour normally.
And usually I don't even want to wait. What's going on? Oh God, I'm driving. I don't like this game. I'm colorblind. Alright, Mom.
And no one could force
No,
me.
no. What do I have to do to make you go on the Hulk roller coaster?
Well, not having.
What do I have to do?
Give me the lotto numbers.
No, something reasonable.
Lotto numbers.
Not lotto numbers.
No, will not happen.
Nothing?
No,
Nothing in the world.
will not happen.
Alright, if this video gets 10 likes. 10 likes, my mom has to go on the Hulk ride.
10 likes? Are you kidding me? I better give 1,000 likes.
Alright, fine. 100 likes and my mom will go on the Hulk ride.
No.
100.
Mom, it's okay. We have like 57 subscribers.
Hey.
If you get 100 likes and you go on the Hulk, how about that?
I'll go with you.
No, you go by yourself.
You know I don't like roller coasters either. I'll take that as a yes.
We must be related. No.
100 likes and
No.
me, who hates roller coasters, will go on the Hulk ride with my mom, who also hates roller coasters.